Alright guys, what's up? Today we're going to be installing my Skunk2 alpha header and Invidia exhaust. I tried to install my exhaust because it's just a catback, but the bolts for like connecting the mid pipe to the cat, like they're just so rusty that I ended up stripping them. So one of my service advisors here at the shop just suggested that just get headers, and then that way we can just all drop as one piece. So that's what I did. I got Skunk2 obviously. Yeah, so we're gonna be installing them today, and that's really it. There's nothing else to show or talk about, I guess. But I am at the shop. I do have to work, so it's gonna have to be a bit like on my end, obviously, when this video comes out. Alright, Skunk2 alpha header for my RSX. Oh man, I'm so excited. Woo! Look at how clean this is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. So then we have test pipe thing. Yeah, test pipe thing. And then there's all the hardware in there. So yeah, and then I spray painted the bumper. There's that. And then we'll finally be putting on my Invidia exhaust. So it's about time. Been slacking. Technically all I don't even have anything there, so it's definitely gonna be an upgrade. So yeah. Okay, so this isn't really required, but I removed the strut bar just so I can get more clearance to get the heat shield out. I did PB blast the bolts holding the stock header in. Is all that, or wait, yeah, whatever. Okay, so the reason why I couldn't put my exhaust on before is because I didn't have any hardware, because I bought this exhaust like secondhand. And so I was just gonna try and reuse the same like studs and shit, and they broke, so I couldn't even put the exhaust back on. Let's see, this bolt here, that bolt up top, and then this one, see, they're just so extremely rusty that it's not even worth like putting it like you're just trying to take it off. So like I said, we are just going to just take it off as one piece, and I'll be right back. I need an O2 sensor removal tool. Fuck. Maybe I'll just drop that one. Yeah, just let this drop. Yeah, I'll just let this drop, and then I'll remove it. Oh, okay, got that entire mid pipe out. Fuck, I'm out of breath. Thanks, Tim. So now it's just to get the header off. I already sprayed some PP blaster on those bolts. Fuck, can't see it. Anyway, you'll see it. Anyway, all right. All right, so shout out to Plow. The only thing that was holding in the stock header was this, but this is too, that's like really in there, and so we just cut that off. I'm not gonna use this anymore anyway. So now, oh my fucking god, I'm so tired. Okay, so did a lot. Dropped the sway bar a little, and then boom, that's all that's left. Just put on the gasket and you should be set. Okay, so it's the next day, and I did a lot off camera because there was just a whole bunch. The stock sway bar does not clear the Skunk2 header like Skunk2 said it would, but so I'm running no sway bar. But it's fine, it's whatever. So here's gonna be a cold start. Well, I got hella exhaust leaks. That's to be expected because I did buy this exhaust secondhand, which I shouldn't have done, to be honest. It's kind of my fault because then I had to scramble for hardware and shit. But now let's go for a few drives or something. I'll rev it, see what it sounds like. Okay, so my check engine light is on. It is definitely for the O2 sensor. Ooh. It's kind of quiet. It's not as loud as I thought it would be, but maybe it's louder on the outside. We're gonna try and do a poll somewhere. I know it's fucking raining, but we're gonna try. RSX is officially full bolt-on. That's crazy. Kinda, because I need to fix an exhaust leak. But holy shit! Woo! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Holy shit! This car! Oh
my god!
I hope it's not just from. Oh my.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! What's up, guys? What's up? Oh my. Yo, careful! What the fuck, bro? Oh my god! Bro, fuck, dude! Look at this shit! It's fine. It's fine. This bumper is fucked up anyway. Fuck. Oh my god. Uh-oh.